you have a stroke or a brain injury and you're having the ataxia for this reason is not typically progressive. Now, we can talk about ULT and a different time, those different forms of ataxia that are progressive and hereditary, but we're going to stick to those of stroke and brain injury for today. So even though ataxia is not progressive, there are certain things that can make it worse. So if you are not super mobile and you get deconditioned from not moving as much, maybe not standing and walking, then all of those core muscles, those proximal muscles can get weaker. And then you may notice your ataxia more. So it's not that the ataxia is progressing, it's rather that your stability may have worsened and therefore you cannot control the ataxia as much. Now, does it get better? Yes, you can always do these exercises, and usually you're going to start to see the improvements. It really depends on the chronicity and how intense it is, but like 8 to 12 weeks of consistent daily practice, or at least 4 to 5 times a week, getting those high repetitions in, we start to see reductions in the variability and improvements in stability, even in chronic states. Yes, most of the improvements are seen within that first year post-stroke or neurologic event. Still get improvements even after that, especially when following the correct things.